Top 6. Best hammer drills. However, when it's time to choose the right hammer drills, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best hammer drills on the market today, so if you're interested in what hammer drills will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Bosch Bulldog Extreme Hammer Drill, Best Overall.
Bosch 11255 VSR 1-inch SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer is built for tough applications in concrete, steel, and wood. This rotary hammer features 7.5 amps and 0 to 1300 RPM and 0 to 5800 BPM. A multifunction selector offers 3 operation modes: rotary hammer, rotation only, and hammer only. Vari-lock positioning rotates and locks the chisel into 36 positions to optimize the working angle. A patented rotating brush plate provides equal power in forward and reverse, and a variable speed trigger with reversing action offers accurate bit starting as well as removing fasteners or bound bits. An integral clutch disengages torque transmission if the bit gets bound up. The SDS Plus bit system offers toolless bit changes with automatic bit locking, dust protection, and maximum impact energy transfer. The 11255 VSR D-handle design is ideal for overhead and downward drilling applications. A patented cord turret features a 35-degree pivot for added flexibility and longer cord life. The Bosch hammer hook allows for quick tool storage during the job. The Bosch 11255 VSR delivers on the performance promise of all Bosch rotary hammers: toughness, quality, and reliability combined with innovation. So this is the Bosch 11255 VSR 1-inch SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer. For more information on this tool, reference this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
Number 2. Kemo T20 Cordless Hammer Drill Driver Kit. Number 3. Bosch 1191 VSR 1/2-inch Hammer Drill.
This is the Bosch 1191 VSRK single-speed hammer drill. This tool provides ample power at a great value, which makes it perfect for HVAC contractors, electricians, roofers, carpenters, and those in metal construction. The 1191 VSRK was designed to be compact without compromising on performance. With a 7-amp motor and measuring only 11 inches long, this is perfect for small diameter drilling. The 1/2-inch 3-jaw chuck was designed for more rugged hammer drilling applications. The 360-degree auxiliary handle has a built-in quick-release depth gauge, which gives you more control as well as the ability to maintain consistent drilling depth. A 2-mode selector lets you easily change between rotation only and hammer drill modes. The variable speed trigger helps ensure accurate bit starting as well as the ability to remove fasteners or bound bits. So this is it, the Bosch 1191 VSRK single speed hammer drill. For more information on this tool, reference this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
Number 4. Best Rotary Hammer Drill. Bosch Hammer Drill. Number 5. Metabo Hammer Drill with Vacuum Attachment. Number 6. DeWalt 20 VMAX Hammer Drill. Best for light duty.
Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DeWalt. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance Tune Next Generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887. With next-generation DeWalt XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.